Tacos! Come get your tacos! What's up, guys? It's Brady here at Adrenaline Motors. I want to give you a quick little walkthrough of our food truck. As you can see, everything in here is stainless steel. That's why I got to wear my sunglasses. So this whole entire setup here was built by Apollo Kitchens. So the previous owner of this truck was a Red Seal chef. He did not spare a single penny for this. So this is just a turnkey, ready to go. You want to set up a taco truck, here you go. Or you could easily just phone Apollo Kitchens and change stuff out. So if you want to do fish and chips or whatever, it's super easy, guys. So in here we have a monster 36-inch griddle. You do smash burgers on there, do whatever you want. You got two 18-inch burners, you got a grill, and you got full-on stove. Behind me, full commercial fridge. And then this probably is honestly one of my favorite parts, is you got a 4-foot food prep cutting board and fridge. And then up here you got all your fire suppression systems. So anything that you need to do, any customizations you need to do to this, just call Apollo Kitchens. They'd be able to help you guys out. And then guys, let's go take a look on the outside. There's a lot more stuff that I didn't even tell you about. One of the key features on the outside, guys, that I didn't tell you about is this on-in generator setup. So come on in. When you're sitting around, you can just power everything by the generator, so you don't have to run the truck, nothing like that. And then one other thing on the other side of the truck. So on the other side of the truck here, full propane setup too. So for Food Truck Thursdays, stuff like that, just come out, camp out, easy peasy. Guys, you gotta come check this thing out. A video doesn't do it justice. We're down here in Sylvan Lake, Alberta. We're Adrenaline Motors, and you're only gonna find this stuff here.